Yes, it is cold. Yes, we got snow. I'm gonna try to use the tractor to clear as much of this snow out of the way as humanly possible. Should be fun here. Tractor's not very happy. I don't have chains, but we'll see how this tractor can do in the snow. As long as I take it easy, I should be okay as far as getting snow moved around here. I think we have like maybe 5-6 inches that came last night. And then of course there was like another 4 or 5 inches that I didn't plow last time. Why plow it if you can drive over it? So, you like my scarf? I like my scarf. It's cold. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Coming up on the anniversary, it's been approximately a year since this engine fired up for the first time. I got this tractor a while ago and it kind of just sat around, and when COVID came, it gave me the opportunity to kind of just stay in the garage and stay home, stay out of the public, as everybody was doing. I used that opportunity to just kind of knock out some projects, and this was one of the main things I was trying to get done during that time. It'd been on the back burner, and you know, it's difficult to find opportunity to take on a long-term project. This definitely was a challenge for me. It was the first time I ever split a tractor. So yes, it's pretty obvious. I need to get some chains and I need some counterweight on the back end of this thing. So as I keep an eye on auctions and, you know, keep an eye on Facebook Marketplace, hopefully I can score a set of chains and some ballast before next winter comes. But you know, I kind of knew that going into this. This is the first winter. I knew I wasn't going to be 100% prepared, but it's doing everything I needed to do. It could be better, yeah. You know, I'm slipping and it's a little slow because I don't have traction and I really don't want to smack into a vehicle. So, kind of taking my time here, but I'm overall happy with it. I think it's performing exactly like I need it to, and a little bit, you know, improvements here a little at a time, and you know, as years progress, I'll get this thing dialed in and it'll be just that much more beneficial as time goes on. you.